Baka nagloko na naman.
So, let this team all set, ladies and gentlemen. Let's begin 1v1. Scott Algar goes the Steam Reaper. Two-pointer, no good. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Good for 1 point by goal. Nine minutes and 23. Good for 1 point by goal. Score po natin 2-0. Shot knock down to 7. 6 goal, 2-pointer. Score po natin mga kaibigan, 7-4. Apat na putos na marami ang magandang batang goal naman sa Steam Reaper na si Scott Algar Romara. 5 seconds on the shot clock. 4, 3, at 2-pointer by goal. Won't go. Another 2-pointer, no good. 8 and 40. Shot clock down to 4, 3, 2.
Kaya nasa mo kayo Stelo versus ano?
And warap. Kayo na po ang susunod mga idol. Sure na ito. Tilo at warap. 8 minutes and 20. Last 7 minutes and 34 seconds to go. Scott Algar, long 2-point, no good by Scott Algar from the Rainbow. Go! 2-pointer! Sunod kay Tilo at warap. Alpas, laban kay sa bandal. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Scott Algar, no good by Scott Algar. Last 6 minutes and 41 seconds to go. Go! 2-pointer! 6-40. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 1 against 10. The shot clock down to 5. Go! Another 2-pointer. Kaboom! Last 6 minutes and 25 seconds to go. Shot clock down to 7. Go once again, no good by goal. Scott Algar, babatur ng dalawa. Scott Algar, good for 2 points. Score another 3 against 12 with only shot clock down to 10. Shot clock down to 7. Scott Algar, good for 1. Last 6 minutes. Scott another 2-pointer. For 2 points. 5 minutes and 50. Scott once again, no good by Algar. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Last 5 minutes and 41 seconds to go. Shot clock down to 10. No good by Algar. Go basketball. Match up, shot clock down to 8. Go ang may tangan, shot clock down to 5. Go mga pato. No good by go from the top of the parking space. Scott Algar at 2-pointer. Good for 1 point. Good for 1 point by Scott Algar. Shot clock down to 7. Good for 1 point. Halfway to 8. No good by go. Good. 4 minutes and 30. Scott Algar. Good for 1 point again. Dahil nakatapak from the 21-foot line. Scott sisiguraduhin ang dalawa. Hindi papasok. 4 minutes and 30 seconds to go. 9 against 13. Shot clock down to 8. Shot clock down to 7. Go pointer. Calculate by goal. 4 minutes and 20. Shot clock down to 8. Scott Algar. Good for 1 point. Tatlong puntos silang pamamagitan. 4 minutes and 10 seconds to go. Scott ang tirang may tangan. Scott, pupulang dalawa. Kaboom! 1 point lead by goal. Last 4 minutos. Scott to take the lead. No good by Algar. Hindi papasok. 3 minutes and 55. 12 against 13. Our Franklin isang puntos ang batang goal. Laban kay Algar. Shot clock 5, 4, 3. Good steal by Scott Algar. 3 minutes and 45. Algar to take the lead. No good again. Goal. No good by goal. 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Shot clock down to 10. Goal. Block 2-point. No good by goal. 3 minutes and 30 seconds to go. Scott. Yes, sir! Lamang na po ang bata sa Algar mga kaibigan. 3 minutes and 20 seconds to go. Shot clock down to 8. Algar another 2-pointer. No good by Algar. Last 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. No good by goal. 3 minutes and 10. Shot clock down to 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, quarter!
Defender, sir.
2 minutes and 58 seconds to go sa score 113 against 16. Lamang na po ng 3 puntos ang batang si Scott Alviar. 2 minutes and 50 seconds to go. Alviar for 2 points. Yes, sir! 13 against 18. Lamang 5 puntos ang batang si Scott. 2 minutes and 40. Shot clock down to 8. Shot clock down to 6. 5. Alviar for 2 points. No good. Less than 18 seconds to go. Scott Alviar may tangan, shot clock down to 10. Scott Alviar sasalaksak. No good by Scott Alviar. Hindi papasok. Go from the top of the rainbow. 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining. 14 seconds on the shot clock. No good by Alviar. 3 puntos na siya pamamagitan, mga kaibigan ng batang si Scott. Go good for 2 points. Last 1 minute and 48, 17 against 18. Go to take the lead. For 2 points. We have only 1 minute and 40 go for the win! Scott Alviar crossing by go. Shot clock down to 12. Magsusunod ng oras itong batang si Scott Alviar. Shot clock down to 8. Scott for 2 points. No good by Alviar. Go ang makakuha ng buo. Go!